Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release and return to center. Place your fingertips to your shoulders with your elbows wide. Begin to circle your elbows forward and around, alternating right and left, gradually increasing your range of motion. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Circle your elbows back and around, alternating right and left, creating more space and ease in your rib cage, shoulders, and upper back. Pausing at center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your elbows wide, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, draw your elbows forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, open your elbows wide, lifting through your heart. Tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, draw your elbows forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel. Begin to point and flex through your right foot, stretching through your hamstrings, calf muscles, toes, and ankles. Pausing, moving into a gentle hip opener. Place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and gently lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases. Slowly lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Cross your right leg over your left. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and draw your right knee in towards your chest. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your forehead towards your knee. Inhale to upright, re-lengthening your spine. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Pausing and upright, continue drawing your right knee in towards your chest. Optional to release your clasp, opening your arms wide. And for more of a challenge, extend your right leg to hover, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and return to center, repeating this sequence on the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel. Begin to point and flex through your left foot, stretching through your hamstrings, calf muscles, toes, and ankles. Pausing, moving into a gentle hip opener. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and gently lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your left outer hip. Stay connected to your breath, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Slowly lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Cross your left leg over your right. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine through the crown of your head, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Slowly unwind and draw your left knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, round, drawing your forehead towards your knee. Inhale to upright. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace, stretching through your back body. Pausing in upright, continue drawing your left knee in towards your chest. Optional to release your clasp and open your arms wide. And for more of a challenge, extend your left leg to hover, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and return to center. With your left hand to your right leg, reach your right arm up and over to the left for a lateral stretch, breathing wide into your right side body, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist. Lift your torso to upright. Maintain your left hand to your right leg, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your right arm back and open to the right, extending towards straight. Slowly unwind and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. With your right hand to your left leg, reach your left arm up and over to the right for a lateral stretch, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your left side body. Return to upright. Maintain your right hand to your left leg, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your left arm back and open to the left, extending towards straight, stretching through your spine, chest, and shoulders. Continue breathing deeply as you unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.